Yeah. So I would like you to like it, share, subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Don't charge. Touch the notice button. We want it up there. So like, share, subscribe to it. This is the way Auntie Clair do his curry chicken. I'm gonna marinate it now. Season up. That you can know I'm seasoning it up, right? So this is the way we do it. Okay? We're gonna do it now and let you guys see how I do it. Yes. Curry, see the color changing now? Yes, right? This is the Jamaican season I put in it, right? All-purpose jerk and everything in it, right? So that's the way we do. We take ginger powder, yeah, no belly in. Garlic powder, and I cut up my next garlic on it, okay? Black pepper, yeah, yes. So yeah, so this is it. Oh, I'm gonna do it now so you can see the season now. I'm gonna cut up scallion, scotchy, garlic, ginger, and onion and potato, right? So this is the way we do it. Some nice delicious curry chicken. So don't forget, touch the notice button, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Clair do it. You want it, you just click the button, right? And subscribe. Subscribe to it, man. Subscribe to the channel. Bring it up. We need it up there. Love, joy. Do it up. Big it up right there. So, you know, I'm gonna do this now. Right? This is the way. When I finish, you see. And I'm jerking some pork over there also same time.